In this video I'm going to show you how to see the answers on your Google Forms. So I have created a Google form, and after that we need to go to the responses over here. So what you can do, so you can simply click on this and then the responses will be placed into a Google Sheet. So we will click on that, and as you can see it will now generate a Google Sheet where all the responses will end. So what we will do, we will go back to the form. Make sure it is published, otherwise it will not work, and then we can copy the link. So we will copy the link, open it in a new tab, and after that this form will be opened. So what we will do, we will use our own email. After that scroll a little bit down, and as you can see we can answer those questions. So what we will do, we will select those answers, and after that we can submit the form. So once you have answered all the questions, click on submit, and now the form will be submitted. Click on it, now you can check the answers, and as you can see we have successfully answered the form. Now the next step is of course to go back to your Google form, and we will click this away, and now you can see we have one response on this Google form. Now the first option is to check it over here. The second option is go to your sheet, and here the response will be documented. So this is how you see answers on your Google Forms. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!